is also very nice, but it's in the middle of the city, so.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to present Mr. David Vogel-Sanza, Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of Switzerland to the Republic of Fiji.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to present to you the credentials by which the Swiss Federal Council, our collective presidency, appoints me as ambassador, accredits me as ambassador extraordinary and plenipotentiary of the Swiss Confederation to the Republic of Fiji.
Excellency, I have the honor of receiving your letters of credit, and I trust that your tour of duty of Fiji will be a pleasure. We welcome you most warmly to Fiji.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. I'm very pleased to see you again.